Welcome to Snidbits, the only show on YouTube that uses Bing for research. A note to the editing guys, can you pull back a little bit? Nobody really wants to see my pores. You're a bit too close. Pew.
I'm Yetti, and here's today's Snidbits. Banana bread became popular in the 1930s with the rise of cookbooks. Bananas themselves were introduced in the late 1800s, which I'm sure was a strange time for America. This long yellow fruit, quite weird. You make banana bread by mixing it with regular bread flour, yeast, but you add up ripe mashed bananas, extra sugar, and maybe some cream or dairy to make it moist. If you don't have time to wait for bananas to ripen, the experts say you can put them in an oven at 250 degrees F and leave them until they're soft, about 15-20 minutes. While there are a lot of great recipes for banana bread online, the experts recommend that you add nuts to add a little bit of crunch, to add dairy, sour cream, something to add moisture, and to avoid chocolate chips or chocolate because this tends to give the banana bread an odd consistency. And I agree with them on that. The Remarkable 2 is a super thin tablet PC whose main focus is as a digital notepad. Thus, it is a rather small tablet weighing less than 1 pound and is only 4.7 millimeters thick. It has a 1.2 gigahertz dual-core processor, 1 gigabyte of RAM, and 8 gigabytes of internal storage. The operating system is Codex, a Linux-based system designed for tablets only. Not exactly a powerhouse, the highlights of the Remarkable 2 include the fact that it does not have a backlit display and is easily readable in the sunlight. However, it is not easy to read in the dark. This is not a normal computer like a tablet. It is rather limited. You can read on it, you can write with it, and you can use simple visualizations, but it does not have normal tablet functionality. For this reason, the Remarkable 2 starts at only $299. However, some of the functionality like cloud storage requires a subscription service because why not? Everybody's doing it apparently, so if you can sell it, you can subscribe to it. Made in Oslo, Norway, the reviews from the customers for the Remarkable 2 are hard to find, but I did find some. The average rating is 2.1 on Trustpilot, but the Remarkable 2 website has a 4.5 rating. Shocking, I know. The most common positive reviews state, pretty cool and better than legal pads, user-friendly and great for organizing notes, and my favorite, life-changing. Really? What kind of life do you have where a discount Kindle is life-changing? The most common negative reviews include horrible customer service, subscription, what the hell? And my favorite, it's just a money pit. Several reviewers have commented that this is great for taking notes and not much else. So, is digital paper the future? Considering I have not used a pen in years, I probably won't be buying one.
And now, the internet's favorite, German Shepherd puppies.